Hello, my name is Anthony from AA Global FX, and in this video, I'll show you how to open, operate, verify, and fund an account with HotForex Broker. To begin, either click on the link on the video or the one below it to be sent to the HotForex website. On the top right, click the green button to open the live account. You can open one of three accounts available here: individual, corporate, or joint. We'll start with the individual account for the purposes of this video, which will apply for the vast majority of you. Select your country of residence, phone number, email address, and finally, read the agreement policy. You successfully register after completing the first step. To start, go to your email and click Activate Account button. After that, we can finally start working on finishing the profile so that we can create an actual account. Choose your country of birth, title, address, communication choices, and finally your base currency. It is important to remember that this is a dummy account, as is the information provided for its creation. Anyway, once you've filled out all the information, save and continue. On the following page, you will be asked to answer a few standard questions regarding opening an account with the Forex broker, such as the purpose of the account, your projected debit value, your annual income, your education, your employment status, your sources of cash, and so on. Finally, depending on where you live, you may be required to submit a tax identification number. Fill in the blanks with the information relevant to your present circumstance. Then click Save and Continue. You'll be asked a few questions about the marketplace you are about to trade on. I will not disclose solutions to these because by doing so, it would be considered cheating. All I can say is that these are fundamental issues that you must be able to answer if you intend to trade. So after you responded, click Save and Continue. Following the completion of the previous questions, HotForex will determine the type of client that you are and will request that you upload proof of legal existence, such as proof of identification, passport, or ID, as well as proof of address. This might be anything from a utility bill to a bank statement. After you upload them, your account will be verified within a few hours and you'll be asked to finance it in step 2. I will not upload the document because this is a dummy account, but we will look at the funding choices available in the next phase. As you can see, HF Markets, or HotForex as it is once known, provides a variety of funding alternatives including Visa, MasterCard, wire transfer, Skrill, and Neteller. After you've completed the funding of your account, the next step is to begin trading. So let's look at the platforms that are available and how to get them. You can trade on MT4, MT5, the comparable web terminal, and of course, we will trade on the HF Markets multi-terminal, which is based on the MT4 because the first two choices are well recognized. As a result, the installation procedure is the same. Open a demo account by clicking My Account. You can select an MT4 or MT5 platform. Enter a beginning balance and then click on the Open Demo Account button. You will be given your account and trading password. Choose the trading platform from the list and download it. The next screen displays your login information, password, and available leverage. Use them to access the platform and start trading. Thank you for watching our tutorial video. We sincerely hope that it helped you in creating the appropriate account. If it did, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and of course, switch on the notifications so that you don't miss any videos that we'll cover. This is Tony from AA Global FX, and I'll see you later.